Hey there, fellow photographers. Today, I want to dive into a topic that's been buzzing around the photography world, the role of AI in our craft. Now, I know what you're thinking: AI in photography? Isn't that just about replacing photographers with machines? Well, hold on a second. Let's shift our perspective and explore how AI can actually enhance our creativity and help us see our work with fresh eyes. Personally, I think the fear of AI taking over photography is a bit overblown. Instead, I believe it can be a powerful tool to support and elevate our artistic journey. So, let's break down some of the ways AI can be a game changer for photographers, both personally and professionally. First things first, let's talk about the obvious utility of AI in post-processing. Object removal, especially with generative fill, has become a go-to tool for many of us. Whether it's getting rid of sensor dust, removing unwanted elements, or even swapping out skies, AI can help us clean up our images and make them more impactful. And let me tell you, it's incredibly handy. But here's the thing, AI isn't just about fixing pixels. It's about moving beyond the technical and embracing a more conceptual collaboration. When we treat AI as a thought partner, it can help us challenge our assumptions and push our work forward. For instance, imagine you're working alone and getting stuck in your own head. You might have blind spots in your photos because of your emotional attachment to them. AI, on the other hand, doesn't carry that emotional weight. It can provide an outside perspective, highlighting visual threads and patterns that you might have overlooked. Now, let's talk about finding your photographic voice. Discovering your unique style can be a long and challenging process, but AI can act as a sounding board. By having a conversation with an AI model about your favorite images, you can explore recurring themes, lighting choices, and subject relationships. The real value comes from the back and forth, where you can refine your context and articulate the vision you've been building intuitively. But wait, there's more. If you've already identified your voice, you can create custom AI assistants tailored to your specific context. By loading your artist statement or core creative philosophy, you can have an AI that understands your style and provides tailored feedback. This is where AI becomes a rigorous critique partner, calling out weak compositions and helping you stay true to your voice. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. AI can also be a valuable tool for photographic research and inspiration. With tools like Gemini Notebook, you can gather information about your favorite photographers and build a private library. You can query these sources to find commonalities, analyze specific movements, or even get a critique through the lens of a master's philosophy. This visual framework can open up new avenues for exploration and help you see your own work in a whole new light. But it's not just about personal growth. AI can also help you apply your voice across different contexts. Whether it's building a portfolio site, designing a logo, or curating a project collection, AI can provide valuable insights and help you explore options quickly. For instance, when structuring a zine or a photo book, an AI partner can offer rationale and considerations for how images interact with each other. Your job is to interrogate these suggestions and clarify your narrative intent. AI won't turn you into a book designer overnight, but it can help you explore options and produce something you're extremely happy with. Finally, let's talk about the emotional side of photography. Writing about your own photos can be notoriously difficult, and AI can help bridge that gap. By talking through the emotional core or the backstory of a project, AI can help extract thematic threads and draft clear, structured prose. It gives you a starting point that you can refine into an authentic statement that actually sounds like you. So, there you have it. AI in photography is not about replacing us, but about enhancing our creativity and helping us see our work with greater clarity. It's about using the dialogue to examine our own photography and push it to new heights. But remember, AI is just a tool. It's not a replacement for the deep value of real human connection. So, let's embrace AI as a supportive partner on our artistic journey and see where it takes us.